Hey everybody. I don't know about the rest of you, but I can't believe that it's already 2021. And for this Saturday Scribbles, I'm going to be showing you 4 very, 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 very simple and relaxing zentangle patterns. And as always, they come from tanglepatterns.com. And the link will be in the description box below. And this first tangle pattern was inspired by the frozen world in Kingdom Hearts 3, according to the original creator. And I thought it looked really cool, and it reminds me of circuitry, like a circuit board or a motherboard. But very relaxing. And if you're new to Saturday Scribbles, given that it's the new year and everything, it's just a time to doodle basically and just take time for yourself. And with everything that's happened in 2020, I think we all need a little extra time for ourselves just to think about, life, or not think about life and just breathe and exist. Lose yourself in the doodles. That's what I like to do. I think that this pattern would be really nice for a border or for a way to separate paragraphs on a card, for example. And it is called Verbe. It's German, according to the artist. I probably completely butchered how to say it. I really like this pattern. It's called 7 Flower, and in the first version that I drew, I used a medium tipped marker, and I think it ended up looking a little too full compared to the original design. And in the second version, I used a fine liner. If you hear any commotion, I don't know if this is getting picked up or not, but if you hear a bunch of commotion, that's my cats running through the house, because that's what they do in the middle of the night. They chase each other. They always wait. But that's okay. I'm glad they're happy. But this one looks like I want to say a cotton flower plant, but I'm not entirely sure if I'm thinking of the right thing. I know the flower that I see in my mind, but I don't know what it's called. And this last design is called Akebia, and it is my favorite design out of these 4. Super, super, super easy and so pretty. To me anyway, I think it's so pretty. And I could fill a page with just this design. It was very relaxing to do. I didn't feel like I had to count anything, or I just got to go into it very free-handedly. And that's always lovely. And one way I saw this pattern done that was extra awesome was they took a piece of black paper, and then they had all of these outlined in white, and then the flower part would be white and the leaves would have white, like a white line where you have the black line, and everything was reversed basically, except the flower petals. Those were still white, and it looked really cool. I wish I had some black paper and I could show you, but alas, never have what you want whenever you need it. And you don't have to put the aura on it at the end. That's just the little outline, but I think it looks pretty that way. So this is everything. I hope that you had a lovely time, and that you got to take at least a few minutes to just relax and exist. And have a very happy new year, and I'll see you next week.